Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to create an attractive table which help in your website for storing a data in a table. Initially I am going to create a file named table.html. I open it with Sublime Text. In that I am write a basic HTML code. I type HTML and give the title name as table, and in body section I type h2 for giving the table heading as a styling table, and create a table tag. In that I create a tr table row tag. In that I create a table heading tag and give name as a serial number, name, roll number, class and gender. I copy this row and paste it down for creating the new more rows, and rename the serial number with 1 2 3 and give the name and roll number, class and gender any randomly. And save this file. In my last video I show you about the XAMPP, so that I open the XAMPP control panel and start the Apache and MySQL and search for the localhost tag / table.html file. This is my table which I created, but it not so attractive, so I create a new file named style.css, which help me in giving the beautiful. I again open with this Sublime Text and type the CSS code, so that I have to link both the file. So I type link, and in that I reference I type the style.css, that file name, and in file I type table and give the width of 400 pixel and save it and go to Chrome and refresh it. It will looking nice but not so I give some more styling tag. After that I type table th and td to give a border. Typing border, I have 1 pixel solid and I am selecting the black color, so the black color code is 0000 6 times 0. Save it and refresh it. This my table with a border. I have a table. After that I come in and again give the table heading and table data with the padding from the padding, giving space from all the border side, and type 10 pixel, and this give me the spacing in the center. All the data is in my center. So I again go to style.css and give the background color to the table heading, background color to the 009879. It will give me a green combination of a color. It will give the color to whole my table, but I want to only the table heading, not to the table data. So I go to my file and change the table heading to the table data. I simply search for th for all the my table data and press Ctrl+D to select all the th. So I replace it with tdd and refresh, save it and refresh it. Then it will color only my table heading, not to the table data. Then I want to again come in and give the border. There are two borders, so I collapse both the border, typing border collapse and save it, and again go to Chrome and refresh it. It will give me a single border. It's looking nice. Then I come down and type tr. In that I typing and child and giving the child to the odd child. I select the background color, giving the gray color. To giving gray color I type ddd. D is for the gray color and refresh it. It gives me the every odd row to the gray color. And I am going to separating both the table heading and table body. So I type t head and t body. And save it and go to the style.css and give the t body in that table row, and I give the last of type. In that I select the border bottom, give the 2 pixel solid and give the same color as the table heading to the bottom of the table and refresh it. The bottom of the table is of the green color as the same as the table heading. And also this table is so small, then I am giving the table to the font size and increasing its size the table by 0.9 centimeter and refresh it. The table is so large and I want to change the table heading color. It is black and I want to change it, so I go in the table heading section and give the color to the white by pressing F 6 times and refresh it. This is the beautiful table which I created. If you are a new user, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.